Hi guys, let's learn how to pronounce English vowel sound with Daris Ramadan. And the first vowel sound is long vowel sound E, like in the word eagle, eagle. And the short vowel sound E, like in the word sit, sit. And the next long vowel sound U, like in the word food, food. And the short vowel sound U, like in the word put, put. And the next short vowel sound A, like in the word ten, ten. Next vowel sound E, like in the word about, about, about. Next vowel sound, like in the word girl, girl. Next vowel sound, like in the word call, call. And the next vowel sound, like in the word happy, happy. Next vowel sound, like in the word cup, cup, a cup of coffee. Next vowel sound, like in the word father, father, or car, car. And the last vowel sound, like in the word got, I got it, I got it. Okay, that's all. Learn how to pronounce English vowel sound with Daris